Greetings, Dumelang, Sanbonani, Tamagwini, Avsheni. I don't know how to greet in the other sacred tribal languages. Marano, Dumelangi, Bote, Balitamang Libona, Haibele Seti, Haibe Khanya, Hotep Gang, what's up, African Booth? Conscious gang, woke gang, queer unconscious, queer black unconscious, Dumelang. The 17th of May today. We made it through the retrograde, guys. Thank you for journeying with me. Those who still feel a bit unsettled, Hanyani, give it about a week. Apparently it takes an extra week, but I don't know if maybe I affirmed it, or you know what, come what may come, Sunday, that is the last day I'm in retrograde. Well, I'm experiencing the retrograde, and funny enough, that was that happened how I felt it would, you know. Monday I was like on peak, you know, and besides pumping the happy hormones with running and stuff, but I was literally on peak Sunday. A lot of people in my circles, they got also amazing revelations, because it rained down here in Klopswero. It rained down here. Somebody had an amazing experience. Well, it's not my story to share, but it was also their day of going around the sun, like their solar return. Yes. So today I just want us to touch gratitude, because yeah, like I'm high on happy. Like I'm really high on happy. A lot of things have happened. So somebody asked, how do we do with and shout out Gogi, shout out Gogi, who, yeah, I don't know what's it called. It's not the thing that you mix somebody's video with yours. Shout out. So she was affirming how gratitude was also a shifter for her. All right. So I just wanna share my little bit of experience, how I survived retrograde through gratitude, how that started shifting things for me, and also just delve into a bit into maybe why a shift is not happening on your end. And I get a recommendation. I see thanks. Ngoba sonke si right. Sonke si right. Anyway, I think I'll do it in part 2, but I just wanna delve into the expectations of it, right? Because if you are towards a go-go gang, or you are tapping into that side of life, or are inclined that way, or yeah, 3, 2, 1 continuation, or are inclined in that way, or have tried, is it a try? I don't know, but yeah, at so have you noticed, I think when most of us get into the space, or when this great awakening was happening, where let's say the witchcraft act was sort of being fought, where now the consciousness is rising. We'll also delve into that. What is this 666? You know, maybe that is the rise of the beast, the rise of the melanated, the carbonated beings here. So when you get into the space, most of us are expecting, okay, with my ancestors, my things are gonna pop, right? This is what we are preaching, what we are sharing, we are advocating and whatnot, but we're not saying you know. And you get some of us, you get to a point where you're like, fuck this shit or whatever, and you don't want to be engaging anymore, stop or whatever system that you had working for you, you know. And then a question came to me, okay, you as in your human element, how do you feel if somebody, a friend, be it a neighbor, a colleague, or whoever, they only come to you and make requests to get something that benefits them? How do you feel? All right. So it's the same as the underground gang, right? Because now you're asking, or you're making connection to get something out I don't think anybody would rata uziwa, even though maybe I see the body, maybe the body, no, but how do you feel in your human element if somebody is taking or always showing up or asking when they need something to be done? I see now I wanna do a money spell and then my shit's gonna pop, right? And for me, this was part of now the shadow work that I've been doing, this inner child healing that I've been doing. Man, let me change this thing. How about I make a gratitude thing, right? Because how many times have you been around the sun and then when now it's thank you, Ning, do you ever thank these people? Do you ever thank the trials and tribulations that they went through? Most of our people, they didn't even get to practice or for example. Do you thank them for those struggles and teaching you, okay, let's put a bay leaf up in here, for example? Do we know what the people that actually did practice, or they couldn't ignore the spirits, which is how some other churches got born? Is that the word? Got born. But we'll delve into that also forthcoming attractions. But just take some time out. See, right? So, and don't lebocha to wanna get something out. But think, like for now, I have a Lowe's car, right? It's a lot could have happened, right? A lot could have happened on the roads where after maybe I go mechanic and then I find, oh my God, this actually was a scary safety thing, So for that, the little things, this is how I shifted Horio Bafetu. And I feel blind. But yeah, we have a little stable relationship, love-hate relationship. But it's thank you. I didn't get hijacked. Thank you, I didn't get in a car crash. Thank you, my wheel didn't roll somewhere, Thank you, I might not understand how you guys work and lang frustrate blind, but thank you for the good. Thank you for the love I experienced. Thank you for the friends that I have. Some of us, or some people, they're not fortunate enough to have love coming from both the family and their friends, Sometimes a betrayal of the other. Some people get to experience that joy, And for me, I have a dope family. I do have a dope family. But my friends have been it. That's why for me, it's very personal when a friendship breaks up, or there's betrayal or whatever it is, right? But just try for beke, all right? Beke, monitor, write down. I reconnected with a friend of mine, a dear friend of mine, who's I feel is gonna be the dots connect backwards to whatever it is I feel about Zimbabwe, the country, right? So we reconnected now, and I remember she used to journal a lot, which is something that I've started now, and really thank you, Taka. I'm penning them down, right? And also the way you write. Do you guys still know how to write in cursive? That's like a spell maker, right? Cursive is a spell maker. So, but we'll get into that. Magic, And today I just want to say I'm having such an amazing day, So I don't know. Oh yes, I could say we could part, but let's finish this chat and then we'll take it from there. Yeah. Okay, I started about Nikile guy, but something that also came to mind now, by my gratitude, right? So even in spirit, I think sometimes it has worked against me, but my name that I do go by, Tado, right? And that little thing, I'm grateful that I got to experience love, And with relationships, for example, but that's also another story. But I'm experiencing like an amazing person in my life right now. Am I giving gratitude for that, or is it because depending on where you at with this journey, what's your understanding of it and whatnot. But a lot of people, they get plugged out from your life, and especially now got this retrograde and this Anpu season. Kala ya manyora. Got this Anpu season. A lot of revelations happened, where now my time like was consistent, like following my life path number. So that also thanking Horebatong Luna, I get to experience the magic. I love experiencing magic. I love experiencing serendipities. I like experiencing the goosebump feelings. I like amazingness, basically, So I gave gratitude for that, and Kabona, like on the daily, my mood started changing. I'm back doing business again. I'm catching up. When I catch myself falling into anxiety, I have this mala bead. I forgot about it. So I have a mala bead here. So I use it like if you've seen the like Buddha beads. I forgot what they call them, the Buddha beads or whatever jewelry that you have. So I have a couple of here. So I use this one starting from here. But a little thing, ground yourself. Affirm yourself, do affirmations all around, or do the thank you, le thank you key affirmation of some sort, right? So yeah, share the experience, try it for a week, find your life path number, and then maybe try it for those couple of days, or so if maybe you're a 3, for example, maybe at 3 a.m. you're doing your gratitude, you're not asking for stuff. I just use that again. You're not asking for stuff. You're doing your thank yous. To a point where even how I feel about my mother has shifted dramatically, guys. And because I have a motherhood, I have a fatherhood. So imagine my trauma. So yeah, guys. Asbangeneni, mama danko.